yeah, I got another video for y'all. What's going on today? I don't even know what to call y'all, but what's going on, man? That was another video. Today I will be driving a manual car. I never drove a manual car before, so that what we will be doing today. Put some tents on your car, bruh. Oh. No, you not, bruh. You work on fucking trucks for a living. So we about to drive in car. I spent manual car, I never drove manual car. You feel me?
Oh, not that much though, man. It's not in gear. The car start moving, bro, and you can come out the clutch. Okay, not yeah, gas. Give me gas. Just saying gas. Not shit, but I'll take it.
Yeah, my bad, gang.
You can be a little smoother on the clutch.
We about to get car washes. Lim, gay ass over there. We got Junior in front of her. But yeah, I got another video to y'all. So what's going on today? I don't even know what to call y'all, but what's going on, man? Back with another video. Today I will be driving Lynn manual car. I never drove a manual car before, so that what we will be doing today. But yeah, so I'll drive a manual car today. I might try to slide it. I never did this stuff, so it's might be like a POV. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what we doing today. Like, comment, subscribe. We're almost to 100 subscribers. We're trying to get 500 subscribers before this summertime. We're gonna get 500 subscribers. You know, that's low, but that's what we're gonna do. You know what I'm saying? Paying for my car wash right now. Let me get this change. That was my last dub I had in cash too. You don't even care. Pay for our wash. Oh, there y'all go. It's the Lynn BMW right there that I will be sliding and driving. I want a manual car, if you didn't know. Yeah, I want a manual car. I never drove a manual car. I never been taught how to drive a manual car. So what we're doing today, learning how to drive a manual car and learning how to slide a manual car. Come on, man. 2 for 1. But yeah, so like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get in the car. Yeah. It's the quickest car wash I ever got. It's not good though. God damn. You need to put some tents on this shit, man. Put some tents on your car, bruh. Oh. No, you not, bruh. You work on fucking trucks for a living. How you do that? You bend it?
Nah, it's that wheel cooler shit.
Ain't nothing on mine. You got the top? Oh, yeah, right. Y'all can see me, man. That means this car is super clean. This grass be wet.
It's a bitch on my hood, bro.
I'm not a damn. What happened?
Oh, I'm already there.
No, no.
Bro, come on, bro.
So we about to drive Lynn car. I spent manual car. I never drove a manual car. You feel me? So we're gonna see how we're gonna do it. Alright, we're gonna come out of first gear this time. Y'all ain't see me driving first gear. Let's get into the video. You're not supposed to rev it up and let go of the clutch?
Yeah, at the same time.
Oh.
Oh, not that much though, twin. It's not in gear.
So when would you know to let the clutch go? Like,
What you mean let the clutch go?
Like, will you be revving that to let your clutch go?
The car start moving, bro, and then you can come out the clutch.
See? I let out the clutch too late?
Nah, too early.
Okay.
Nah, and I gotta turn it off. Okay, just ease onto it, bro.
Ease off, like onto it, like.
Yeah.
What you mean?
Like balance it. Like it gotta be even. Like it gotta be a 50-50. So just goddamn, you know what I'm saying?
I don't get it. 50-50.
It has to be 50-50. We have to be coming off the clutch while you're going onto the gas. You got it like it's like simultaneously. That wasn't simultaneously.
But I understand it now.
Clutch to the ground, okay?
Oh yeah, I understand it now. We ain't gonna take too long now. What the fuck?
You doing it too hard, bro. Be easy on it.
What you mean? I'm letting it go soft.
But you're not giving enough gas.
So when I supposed to give it? How much gas I'm supposed to give is what I was saying.
Bro, just feel it, bro. Like okay.
Oh, and
come off the clutch. Yeah, pull it up and then pull it down. Bring the clutch like right before you stall, and the car will start lurching forward. Just do that. Don't stall it. No, don't give it no gas. Don't give it no gas.
Okay.
You seen it? That was better though.
It's gonna be a long time. Hold on. How the fuck did I do it last time?
Hey, pat the gas while you come out the clutch at like 1500, 2000. Stop coming off the clutch so hard, Biko. Stop coming off the clutch so hard, bro.
All right, bro.
You gotta be easy on the clutch.
Okay.
You finna kill my starter.
All right, Genki.
Don't just come out the clutch and keep giving the gas. Don't just come out. Don't just come off the clutch. You just ease off of it. You on the clutch, like I can see your foot on the clutch.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, like that. Okay, not yeah, gas. You need gas. Just saying the gas.
How you switch gears? You gotta hit it all the way to the ground.
Yeah, so it's like just how you did the first time, but don't slow down too much though. Now shift for a second.
Damn, my bad, gang.
You can be a little smoother on the clutch.
How you slow down? Like with the clutch?
Clutch in, and then you gotta go back to the first gear using. Well, you go right here.
You said clutch and brake at the same time?
Yeah.
You gotta go to first gear though, right?
Yeah. Once you stop. Whoa, you gotta get that much gas.
How much gas I gotta give it?
Just balance it, bro. You gotta balance it. It's like you can't drive, bro.
I can, but it's different to me. I'm gonna keep doing this. I don't know why. So how much when you shift it? How much gas you normally give it? Like
press on the gas the same amount that you let off the clutch.
what?
Bro, it has to be 50-50. It has to be an equal balance, bro.
I gotta be moving, so I'm about to slow down, right?
Yeah.
And
Put it in neutral. Put clutch all the way in and pull it to the middle. No. It won't stall out now. But now you gotta engage it again. I'm gonna be stuttering all in this video. Let me get my speech together.
Damn, my fault. Okay.
It's not in gear.
Oh yeah. So I gotta put it in gear.
Yeah.
And then engage.
Yeah.
Damn. What the fuck am I doing wrong? Not getting enough gas?
You're not giving enough gas.
So I gotta
but don't give it too much gas though.
So
Bro, this shit it's just about balance, bro. You just gotta balance it.
My fault.
The clutch not in.
Okay.
It's in gear.
Okay. Set it down now.
Stop just jerking out the clutch like that, bro.
But I'm letting it
No,
like,
don't just let it go, bro. Don't just let it go. Ride it out a little bit.
Said, don't just let it go.
Don't just let it go.
Just ride it out.
Just
So
ride
like my
it out.
foot gonna be coming like still on it.
Yes. Yes, just like that. Stop dropping it though. You still dropping it.
That was a hard ass.
Yeah, you ain't gotta do it that hard. Bro, just be smooth, bro.
Man, it's my first time.
No, I'm just saying like you gotta like you saying like you feel rigid, bro. Just be smooth with it.
Alright. Then third is like this way.
Yeah, it's up into the middle. Yeah.
That was too bad?
No, that was decent.
So how you got down shift down in here?
Yep, don't worry about that right now.
Just worry about driving.
Yeah, just worry about driving. You don't got downshift right now. Yeah, come here, U-turn.
Yeah.
Alright.
Put it back in neutral.
Yeah, put it in neutral. Yeah. Yeah, I should have made a wider turn. It's gonna be hard with that with a diff.
You didn't say that.
Yeah, well, I don't know. I thought you was gonna just bust a U-turn right there. I don't know why you came to the stop sign.
Cause I wanted to engage again.
Nah, go that way. But it's gonna jump and shit because of the weather diff.
What you mean?
Just feel it. Just go. Remember, don't just drop it. Yeah, like that. Oh no, it was alright. Stop! You drop it. I'm watching your feet. You drop it. Stop! Don't drop it, bro.
Okay,
just come out, bro. Just ease out of it, bro.
Okay,
Like, yeah, trying to drift the motherfucker.
I want to, but
Hell no. I ain't let you slide that bit until you get it down. I can't count.
damn, that's crazy.
You gotta learn how to drive in a straight line first before you go sideways. And it, cause while you sliding it bit, it's low on power right now, so you gotta keep clutch kicking. So you gotta, you know what I'm saying? It's like it's a little more shit you gotta do with your feet and your brain type shit.
I'm dropping the clutch still.
Yeah.
Damn. So it's like I'm coming off.
Bro, yeah. I don't know why you letting your foot off so fast.
I didn't want to goddamn stall.
You're not gonna start while you rolling. And you gotta unless your RPM get low, then you will. Alright, on hills it roll back, like it'll roll back. So you know what I'm saying.
We're gonna get this down pat today. Well, not today, but come on. I did it again. Like I noticed that time. I noticed that time. What? I didn't let it go that time.
You didn't give enough gas though.
This shit crazy, like. Okay. Give it enough gas. And lay it off easy.
Yes. Don't give too much gas because you'll rev it up too high. That's too much gas.
It's like so easy to give it so much gas.
I know. You dropped it again.
Alright, bro.
Yo. What's up? What's up?
He's laughing?
Yo. Bro, look at.
What the fuck?
Bro. Yo ass tripping.
Alright, bro, I'm about to take us back to my car.
Alright. His ass tripping.
Why I can't do this shit right, bro? I get mad, bro.
You're not in gear. And you dropped it too fast. You know you wasn't in gear. Bruh, come out the clutch slow as fuck, bruh. Like slow, come out that bitch slow as hell.
Ramming.
Don't rev it too hard, bruh. But keep it at like 2003 and come out the clutch slow as fuck. That was better. You ain't gotta shift it super fast, bruh. That was too much gas, Vigo. You get out the gas, Vigo.
I'm not even in first game.
The clutch not in. That was a decent engage. Too much gas, bro.
I'm not going to second.
Because you shifting too hard, bro.
Oh.
You like pressing the clutch pedal. You in third gear right now.
I'm in third gear.
Yeah, but it's fine.
This is gonna be the it for the YouTube video. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.